All right, guys, so we out riding again with the Raptor. My buddy Chris, he's on a Honda 250. Yeah, so he's got some property out here. There's an old blue hole. We want to go ride and explore a little bit. We're just working on the trails, trying to get them cut out. So that's what we're gonna do right now. There's been what kind of dogs are those? Do you know?
I don't know. They look like really big Australian shepherds.
Yeah, they were gorgeous. There's like 3 strays. Well, at least we believe they're strays. We didn't see any collars out here, but yeah, they were gorgeous dogs, and they were just chilling down here. You ever seen them before?
No.
Yeah.
We should get a photo.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if we can go down there and film them. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, we made it up to the lake. This is referred to as the brown hole down here for all the locals. And this place is gorgeous, for real. I mean, I don't know which one I prefer, the spot or just down here on this private land, man. It's just, the scenery is awesome. All right, so that's the hill we're going to, right there. And then we'll put the drone in the air and I'll fly around the lake and I'll show you all the other side of that mountain. So let me get up there and then I'll get the drone rolling. All right, guys, so they're the puppers right there, if you can see them. There's one here, one there, and one there. I don't know if they're friendly or not, so we're trying to keep our distance, but man, they're gorgeous puppers. Look at that. Look, they chilling. They got the best view in the world. Look at that. Man, ain't that pretty? That's just gorgeous. Oh, man. What would it be like to live down here, man? It's just endless views, man. It's gorgeous. All right, we're gonna ride some more. What's up, guys? So it's the next day. Tried to get some drone footage yesterday and my drone was dead. But I thought I had just charged it, but I didn't. So it was completely dead, so I didn't get any footage. But we back out here on the Raptor. I stopped by the blue hole because I wanted y'all to see this. This is gorgeous. Look at this water. It's the most gorgeous blue you've ever seen. Look at that. People go cliff jumping off there. In the summertime, it's really fun. I don't do it. I'm scared of heights. I ain't about to jump off that. But people do it. They have a good old time out here. I just wanted to show you all this water, man. It's gorgeous. But I did get the drone footage today. I did film some up on the mountain like I said I would. And it's more than I expected. It's huge back here. But right now I'm just doing a little bit of walking. Hopped off the Raptor and just wanted to explore a little bit. It's like somebody's been out here jumping. A little jump pad. I don't know why you want to jump right here. I mean, pretty much just gonna hit rock. Oh, man. All right, well, I'm gonna keep on exploring. I'll see y'all here in a minute. Alright guys, we're gonna wrap this one up right here. We just got done riding. It's been a few hours, so I'm getting a little tired. So I'm gonna go home and edit them drone footages and get them uploaded for y'all tomorrow so y'all can see them. They look really good. I'm excited for y'all to see them. So if you enjoyed this one, I need you to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you could share the video, that would be awesome, and I would very appreciate it. So subscribe, share, like, and comment, and I'll see y'all guys in the next one.